Hey, what's going on everybody, it's Entertainment here. Today is the day for unboxing Eachshot Comica CVM-VM10. This microphone is suitable for DJI Osmo and DJI Osmo Mobile. Okay, let's see what's inside the box right now. Inside the package we got a microphone from Eachshot Comica, a shock absorbing stand to place the microphone. Shock absorbing stand is used to prevent the sound interference that occurs when recording audio. Inside the box we also get two different functional cables. One gray colored cable can be used for smartphones and the black one is specialized for the camera. One windscreen is also available in the package, which is useful for reducing noise in the microphone for indoor use. Inside the package also includes a wind muff to be used when recording sounds outdoors. There is also one universal mount for DJI Osmo, which is useful for putting the microphone on the DJI Osmo body. All of these accessories can be stored in the built-in carrying case that is available at the time of purchase. Here is an example of sound ambience recording using the built-in microphone of Samsung Galaxy S7 Edge. This is the recording of ambient sounds using the Eachshot Comica CVM-VM10. Here is an example of sound ambience recording using the built-in microphone of Samsung Galaxy S7 Edge. This is the recording of ambient sounds using the Eachshot Comica CVM-VM10. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel to get more interesting content from us. That's it, thank you for watching. Let me know what you think of this microphone. I'll see you guys in the next video.